In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import images as planes into Blender. Whether you're creating stunning visualizations or working on a complex animation, knowing how to efficiently import images as planes can make your workflow smoother and more professional. Now, for those of you who are new to Blender, don't worry, I'll guide you through each step, ensuring you have a firm grasp on the process. First, let's start by opening Blender. Once you have Blender up and running, your first stop will be the File menu located at the top left corner of your screen. Click on File, scroll down to Import, and hover over it to reveal additional options. From this list, select Images as Planes. By doing this, you're enabling Blender to bring in images with their dimensions preserved, which is ideal for a variety of modeling and texturing tasks. After selecting Images as Planes, a File Explorer window will appear. This is where you can navigate through your computer's directories to locate the image you want to import. Take your time with this step, especially if it's your first time going through your folder structure in Blender. It's important to know exactly where your images are stored to streamline this process in the future. Once you've found and selected the image you'd like to use, click Open Image or Import Image, depending on the version of Blender you're using. And this will cue Blender to bring up a dialog box with additional import options. At this point, it's crucial to pause and have a look at these options. Blender provides a set of customizable settings that let you adjust how your image will be used in the project. For instance, you can alter the scale and the material properties. If you have specific project parameters, tweaking the scale right now can save you time later in resizing or adjusting proportions. Additionally, the material properties allow your image to interact with lighting within the scene, which is essential for realism in 3D environments. Take a moment to explore these settings based on your project's needs and make sure everything aligns with your intended outcomes. After you're satisfied with the import options, confirm the settings and let Blender do its magic. Your image will be placed in the scene, ready for you to manipulate or integrate as needed. You might find it helpful to move around in the 3D space using Blender's camera view or adjust the positioning and orientation of the image for better alignment in your project. Familiarizing yourself with transforming tools such as Move, Rotate, and Scale can enhance your efficiency. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to import images into Blender as planes, adding a new dynamic to your creative endeavors. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks with Blender in our upcoming videos.